Wow, look at that. Finally, really, finally, I managed to put my hand, or put my hands on this, sorry, Assad, put my hands on this fragrance finally after like, I don't know, maybe 9 months. I've been really waiting for this. I've been really trying to get it. I know I'm kind of late to the party into reviewing this or even discovering it. So this video is gonna be unboxing, presentation, and first impressions ever. And it's gonna be honest impressions, first impressions. And really, I didn't watch any reviews about this. I heard, yes, I definitely heard that it is a freshie. It's for the summer, for this and that, and it smells luxurious. Also, I heard that it smells like one of the Louis Vuitton fragrances, or so maybe it's like an inspiration of those fragrances from Louis Vuitton. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna find out right now. I'm gonna try it and see if it's as the things, the minor or small things that I heard about it. So anyways, without further ado, let's unbox it live on this video. I'm gonna take off the cellophane and show you the bottle, show you the box, everything. Okay, I hope the cellophane will cooperate with me, because you know, off camera it opens up really quickly. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna all right, now it's cooperating. Nice, sweet. Now you're naked. Anyways, let's take off that cellophane wrap. So yes, the bottle pretty much looks the same not exactly, but it looks like the same style, same design of the first Saheb by ARD Al ZAAFARAN. If you guys know about that fragrance, there was a first, so this is like a flanker of that one, the brown one, but this one comes in a white or all white bottle, box, presentation, packaging. So yes, let me show you how it looks from the back. We have the stamp logo of ARD Al ZAAFARAN for the authentication, also their logo of the company, SAHEB, Oh The PARFUM. It's a 70 ml size bottle, by the way. So we have some other informations translated, and we have the batch code right here, and we have the production date and expiration date right here, QR code, barcode, etc. So yes, nothing on the bottom. Let's open it, let's see about it. So SAHEB Intense, the first time that I'm gonna try this. So let's see about it. Let's see, there goes nothing. Let's check it out. Let's see if it is. And the bottle pretty much the same like the first side, but this one looks much more beautiful. Looks really nice. I mean, with the white vibe and the juice color. This juice color reminds me a lot of Aventus. So I hope, I'm not gonna say I hope it doesn't smell like Aventus, but well, if it's really good as Aventus or close to it, or has a pretty good performance, that would be really nice. Anyways, it says SAHEB right here. Right here it says Intense. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, Intense. We have a sticker right here, the ARD Al ZAAFARAN logo, made in UAE. And yes, the cap. The cap not really that heavy. It looks like it can be a heavy cap, but it's not really that it or well, it's not, it feels cheap, but it's light. It's kind of light. Anyways, so let's see about this atomizer. Let's spray it. I'm smelling my hands to see. Okay, let's spray it right here and see about it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The sprayer is pretty basic, not really the best. Okay, another spray. All right, let's see about it. Let's see if it's any good. I hope that you saw how it sprays like. Let's do it again. Yes, it sprays kind of in one one target. It's not like it sprays wide, and the sprayer is pretty basic. The bottle is pretty. Presentation is nice. Okay, I can smell it from here. All right, let's smell it. Right away, citrus bomb. very, very citrusy. Citrusy to a point it is, I don't know, it smells like a juice. Kinda has an Aventus vibe, to be honest with you. Does it have pineapple? Definitely bergamot in there. Citruses, a lot of citruses here. And it does remind me of something. I don't know what it is. It's pretty familiar. It's a designer fragrance and it smells so much like it. It smells nice, to be honest with you. It doesn't smell synthetic at all, which is surprising. I mean, if you ever bought this Middle Eastern fragrances like years ago, like I would say 6 years ago, 10 years ago, even 15 years ago, they were, I mean, when it comes to freshies, they were super synthetic. They would give you like the strongest headaches. But this one is pretty smooth. Wow. Even though it has this little bit of sharp vibe with the opening, but it's pretty smooth. It's not synthetic at all. Maybe a little bit, just a little bit. It doesn't feel chemical or glowing. It smells really nice. And yes, it does kind of remind me of, yeah, it has this sort of also like woody vibe. Maybe it has like some sort of bamboo. I didn't look up any notes, to be honest with you guys. And yeah, it kind of reminds me of Vibrant Leather by Zara. Kinda, it reminds me of old OG Aventus, but I would say it this way, without that punch of smokiness, or even, as some people said, incense, even though I don't really think Aventus ever had incense. But yes, it did had that smoky vibe. But to be honest with you, it feels a little bit more sporty. It doesn't really, I don't know how to describe it. It's not, well, it smells nice. It doesn't smell too young. It doesn't smell like too clean. It does have that clean vibe. But, well, it smells like something really familiar. Maybe Allure, a little bit Allure, the white flanker, what it is called, Edition Blanche. So yes, it does remind me of that as well. Louis Vuitton, I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't know. I don't own any Louis Vuitton, so I don't know. I had some samples, but I don't think I ever smelled this from a Louis Vuitton. Maybe. Yes, it does kind of a little bit, just a little bit smells like Jean Lo Immortal, just a little bit. So it definitely shares some points here. And it smells really nice, surprisingly. I like it. Yes, it does have this birch smell, bamboo, like some sort of bamboo note. Maybe I would say also that kind of like it has maybe yuzu, but it's not really that, how to say it? It's not really that acidic or tart. So it's citrusy, but it's not really tart and like super lemony, if you know what I mean. It smells really nice. It has this sporty vibe as well. It smells beautiful. I like it. So yes, I think pretty much this is it. As I said, I didn't really look up any notes. I didn't watch any reviews about this one. I'm gonna try to wear it a few times and get back to you guys with the full review for it and give you my full and honest opinion about it. So this was my first impressions of SAHEB Intense by ARD AL ZAAFARAN. Please don't forget to like the video. We will really appreciate it. And definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.